What's going on, guys? Andrew Bond back at you with another exciting video. I actually wasn't even expecting to make a video today, but I was at home and I got a ring on my doorbell and realized that the FedEx truck arrived and not only shipped me my package on time, but got it here 24 hours early. So I am pretty pumped about that. I'm pretty excited because I got a major upgrade inside this box that's going to help me produce videos to you guys much faster, much better than my current situation going on. So let's open this thing up, and we got to do it right. So I got out the biggest, the baddest, the bestest knife that I had in my kitchen, and I'm going to open this box up for you guys. So let's check it out. And it cuts like butter. Alright, so, oh man, there it is. There it is, guys. The MacBook Pro, and it's in space gray. Check that out. Bam! Look at this. This box looks thinner than most laptops, so I already know that this machine is going to be absolutely beautiful, and I'm super excited to open this thing up. So let's get this knife back out, and let's rip this plastic off of here. You know, I really like everything. Every time Apple packages stuff, it's always like a matte color. It's nice. It's not a super shiny reflective finish. I just personally like that. But let's check this out. See if it has that new computer smell. Airtight. Boom. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, let's take this bad boy out of its box. Pull up on this tab here. Dang, look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. Get this wrapping off, and this looks amazing in space gray. Wow. Look at that. So here, guys, we got the 15-inch MacBook Pro with a touchpad, 2018. This thing looks incredible. As you can see, the Apple logo pops up immediately as soon as I open it up. And guys, this thing has the i9 processor. It's got 6 cores in it. The SSD drive, this thing's got it all. And I'm very excited because I'm going to be able to edit some videos a little bit easier than I was currently with my iMac and my other MacBook Pro, because I had an older generation, and you know, to be honest with you, it just really wasn't handling the 4K very well. So now we got this upgrade, and as you can see, this looks pretty great on me, I'm not going to lie. So I'm going to close that up. Let's see what else we got inside this box, actually. Let's get this wrapping out of the way. So as you can see, Apple's pretty simple in their design. And it looks like they got a little tab here. This is probably going to be the instructions, stickers, quick start guide. But let's just open this up and check it out for you guys. So yeah, we got our MacBook Pro. Yep, quick start guide. Tell you anything new you need to know about this computer. So that's pretty nice for a lot of people. If you're like me, you're pretty familiar with Apple's products, so you probably don't even need that. You got the Apple stickers just in case you want to represent and throw those on something. I know I have in the past, but now I just kind of stockpile those things up because I get so many Apple products nowadays. And then in here, we're going to have the charging cable. And man, I don't know what it is when these things first come out. They are so freaking soft. They're nice. I really like them. But let's check this cable out, see kind of how long it is, and it's actually a pretty good length. Yeah, this thing looks like it might be about 4 feet, which is pretty nice. You can kind of see what the cable looks like there, in classic Apple white. And again, we have our charging brick here. This thing is super high powered, and we're going to be able to charge this baby up pretty fast. And actually the battery life's pretty long in this computer too, so that's going to be nice. It's an 87-watt brick. Plug it right into the wall. But other than that, I don't think there's anything. Yeah, there's nothing else in this box. This box is super nice, and if you don't have a case, you might want to just keep it around. Alright guys, well, I really appreciate you watching this video. Thank you very much for joining me while you and I took this MacBook out of the box. We will be posting weekly with the help of our new MacBook Pro. So stick around, check out some of my other videos on the channel, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, like the video, and share a comment below on what you think. Wait a second, you guys actually thought I forgot? We are out.